Welcome to lesson 14 on marking items out of commission and logging their maintenance. So since we've been using our scanner in the previous lessons, we're going to go ahead and keep using our scanner a little bit more. So in the barcode section, just go ahead and click on that, and we're just going to select an item. We will say this Yamaha CL5 console, we're going to just mark it as out of commission, just as an example. So we've just scanned it. It opened up that exact serial number for us. And on the right side, we can just hit mark out of commission, and we can say why. We'll say that the screen has a flicker. I've never had a CL5 have a flicker, but we're just going to say that this one does, just as an example. So what it's going to do is it's going to mark it out of commission, and it's going to take it out of our rental inventory. So if we have 8 CL5s, now it's going to say that we have 8, but we can only rent out 7 because this one is out of commission. So from there, we can just go ahead and hit refresh. We can look at the out of commission tab, and it's going to say that it's out of commission, and it's going to say why it's out of commission. Let's go ahead and fix this issue. We will hit the resolve button. We will say that we do want to resolve this issue. Now that issue has been resolved. So that's how you mark an item out of commission and how to mark it as repaired. So moving on to maintenance, on the right side, there is a log maintenance button. We can just hit log maintenance, and on this we will just say on this one that we'll say we cleaned out the inside. We'll just say we blew out all of the dust. Maintenance cost, it costed us 1 can of compressed air, so we'll say that it cost us $5, and the reporter is me, Hunter Lee. Now, if we create, we'll just say that we also did preventative maintenance here. We can also mark that as out of commission if we needed to, or if we were logging maintenance and we noticed an issue, we could log it as out of commission, and we could also add an image of whatever the issue was. And then from there, we'll just hit save. And that's going to add it right here to our maintenance log so that we can really track what every single item that we have in our inventory has been maintained, if it's been broken, if it's been repaired, what issues we've had. If we have a particular product that's had several issues, maybe we want to get rid of that product. So this is very handy, and it's very important that if an item is out of commission, you fix it. If it's out of commission, you report it. If it has maintenance, report it. All of these things are very important to know, not only now, but far down in the future. So this has been my lesson on marking things out of commission and logging maintenance of items.